Linking your bank account to Electrify America is a straightforward process that allows for seamless payments for charging services. Follow these steps to complete the setup. Step 1. Create an Electrify America account. Visit the Electrify America website or download the mobile app. Click on the sign up option and fill in the required information to create your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the email you used for registration, as you may need to verify it. Step 3. Navigate to payment settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRT to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select bank account option. In the payment settings, choose the option to link a bank account. You may be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Confirm the information and save your changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Once completed, your bank account will be linked to your Electrify America account, allowing for easy payment in the future. Enjoy your charging experience.